Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe will be soyabean chicken curry. These soya beans are high in protein and a decent source of carbs and fat. They are cholesterol free, lactose free, and a good source of omega 3 fatty acids. It's a perfect side dish for idli, dosa, naans, or parathas. Let's get started. I have taken 100 grams of soya bean and soaked it overnight. They are easily available in Indian grocery store. Salt 1.5 teaspoon. Cooking oil 2 tablespoon. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Coriander powder 2 tablespoon. Hot chili powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala half teaspoon. 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cloves and 1 cardamom. Kashmiri red chili powder 2 teaspoon. Chopped cilantro, chopped mint, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Boneless chicken 250 grams. Heat up a non-stick pan and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Whole spices. Saute for 10 seconds. Add finely chopped onions. Wait for the onions to change their color. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute well until the raw smell disappears. Reduce the flame and add all the powdered masalas: turmeric powder, coriander powder, hot chili, Kashmiri red chili powder. Roast the powdered spices in a low flame along with the onions and oil. Add chopped tomatoes and mix well. Now add salt. As you can see, the oil has started to ooze out, which means that our gravy has been perfectly cooked. Pour in the soaked soya bean and give it a good mix. Eventually, you can make this dish in a pressure cooker by allowing it for 2 whistles. But I prefer them to be slow cooked. Add 200 ml of water. Combine everything well. Cover with a lid and let it slow cook for 20 to 25 minutes on a very low flame. Open the lid and check if they are cooked up to 75%, so that when we add chicken, the balance will be cooked along with it. Add in boneless chicken cubes. You don't have to add any water as the chicken might leave. Again, reduce the flame for 20 minutes and allow the chicken to cook. The gravy from the oil has been separated. The chicken is soft and succulent, and the soya beans have completely cooked. Add chopped coriander, this gravy or curry is totally packed with protein from soya and chicken.
Thanks for watching and please do subscribe our channel.